Hello! The first contract that you're gonna see when you sign with a buyer's real estate agent is called the Consumer Disclosure Addendum, okay? Shoot me an email and I can actually send you a copy of these just so that way you know exactly what these contracts are when you're a first-time home buyer or just an experienced buyer, but you've never actually looked at the contracts and don't really know what they mean, but would like to and just stay knowledgeable. So with the Consumer Addendum Disclosure, what it means is that this is stuff that as a buyer, you are responsible for, not the realtor. One, the neighborhood conditions. It is your job technically to make sure that the neighborhood is exactly what you would like. Now with me personally, being with Home Team Real Estate, we really prioritize our client will be taken care of. But legally, technically, it is your responsibility to check out the neighborhood conditions. Number two is schools. Sioux Falls, South Dakota right now is growing insanely. We can't promise that if you buy this house that your child will stay in the school district that it's currently in, because that can change at any time. Again, with the rapid speed of Sioux Falls growing, we cannot guarantee this. It is your duty. Number three is Megan's Law Sex Offender Database. This one is predators. Legally, it is your duty to make sure that there are no predators and look at the registered predator database. The link is below if you want to check out your neighborhood and see what's going on. Number four, inspections. You can order an inspection when you buy a house, but it is not guaranteed that that inspection clears any defaults after you purchase the home. So you get an inspection done, right? A few days before closing, the dishwasher is working just fine. All of a sudden you move in, the dishwasher's broken. And you're like, I had an inspection, this dishwasher was working. Yes, it was working when the inspector came in and looked at it. The fact that it's not working after, they weren't there after. So it is from when they are there. Always be aware of that. And then that's it. You just sign down where it says buyer and you date it. Stick around for the next two parts of the contract. If you find this valuable, it really helps you, and you know anybody that it could really help, please share this video. Your love and support means the world to me. If you have any questions, you can shoot me an email, write a comment. I would love to get in touch with you. Or if you just want more questions about the market or Sioux Falls or just any recommendations about the area, I love, love, love talking about it and helping people. I look forward to hearing from you. Realty made easy and fun.